Lie to me one more time. You text me at midnight, like the clock owes you something, like my body's a vending machine and you forgot the buttons. I let you in 'cause the silence got too loud in my chest. You ain't love, you ain't even close, but you're the closest to rest. You leave your cologne on my pillow, like a name I shouldn't say. Leave your fingerprints on my throat, then you walk away. And I know I should let it burn, but I keep on inhaling every single time you return. You're like secondhand smoke, baby, killing me without the high. You're like secondhand smoke, baby, giving me a slow goodbye. I don't even smoke no more, but I'm still coughing up your name. You're like secondhand smoke, baby, and I'm still in the same damn frame. You said I was different, and you treated me the same. Said you don't do labels, then you call me by her name. Damn, I bought new sheets, new perfume, new numbers, new excuse. Cut my hair, changed my lock, still couldn't shake you loose. No, 'cause toxic don't taste bitter when you've been starved your whole life. Toxic tastes like attention, toxic tastes like alright. And I know I should let it burn, but I keep on inhaling every single time you return. You're like secondhand smoke, baby, killing me without the high. You're like secondhand smoke, baby, giving me a slow goodbye. I don't even smoke no more, but I'm still coughing up your name. You're like secondhand smoke, baby, and I'm still in the same damn frame. Maybe I like the damage, maybe I like the way it stings. Maybe a girl like me was built for these kind of things. Maybe you're not the problem, maybe I'm the disease, and you just the only person sick enough to please me. So light it up, pass it back to me. I'd rather choke on you than breathe alone, you see. Last drag, last call, last lie I'll let you tell. Tomorrow I'm done, tomorrow I'm well. Tomorrow, one more.